What's up guys, you are welcome back to FinLearn YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to explain to you how to add the indicators or what we know as technical indicators in the TradingView.com. So when you open your TradingView, this is the interface you're going to see first. What you just have to do is you come here to search market. When you click on it, you wait for it. At this point, you can decide on which asset you want to do analysis on, that is the asset you want to use your technical analysis on. And for this tutorial video, I'm going to make use of Forex. Let me go to Forex interface first, then let me select this first currency pair that shows to me, that is euro and dollar. So let me click on launch the chart. Remember, this video is only to guide you how to add the technical indicators in TradingView.com. So let's wait for it to load up for us. So now the chart is loading up. Let me wait. Let me wait for it. As you can see, the thing is still loading. Alright, it has already loaded up now. How do you now add the indicators? For you to add your indicator, you have to come here to where it said indicators. When you click on it, so this is a search box for you to search for different kind of indicators that you are looking for. For example, for this tutorial video, I'm going to search for let me search for RSI. And as you can see, this is RSI relative strength index, and this is the indicator now. For this indicator now, if you just click on it, it will appear truly, but how do you now see it in the next time? So you click on this tab behind and at the back of the RSI, so it can add it to your favorite. So let me click on the favorite. As you can see, a favorite dialog is showing right here. So if I click on the favorite, so you can see that my indicator is right here. So it is very easy for me to come at any time to search for my indicator at the favorite icon side. So let me close it right here. As you can see, the RSI is around here. So the reason why all these ads are showing up is because I'm using a free account in TradingView.com. So you can just buy the premium account, so all these ads will go away. So now this is the indicators I'm using currently, which is RSI. So that's how you are going to add indicators to your TradingView. And you can also come here and add more indicators as you wish. So if I click on it again, I can also add another indicator as I want. I will just click on search. I can search for moving average. Let me type it properly. So this is moving average, and we have other stuff related to moving average also. So that's how you're going to search for indicators in TradingView.com. Another thing I should tell you guys in addition to this video is that when you come here to personal, you can create your own script. That is, if you have a script to run your own indicators, you can just add it here. You just click on create your first script, and when you come to technicals here, right here, you're going to see all those kind of indicators also, instead for you to be searching it. And as you can see, the RSI I added the other time, the RSI is here and it is starred. That is, it is in my favorite list. So the next thing is that when you click on financials, this type of symbol, it doesn't have fundamental metrics, because this is the first time I'm using my TradingView.com, and you may see the kind of stuff in your own too. So if you guys enjoyed this video, try to like my videos and comment your thoughts if you want to ask any other stuff relating to this video or the previous one I've did. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to meet you in another next video.